Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Obviously, as you can see, I've just been to the gym and this morning I was feeling really like bleh, so I didn't start the vlog. But I honestly was like so happy during that workout, like genuinely happy. Like I was smiling and like singing and dancing. I just felt so good. I'm in like the best mood. I love leg day. It's the best way to start the week. If you guys want a day that's gonna like make you feel strong and bomb and amazing, do leg day, honestly, on a Monday, because it starts your week off right for workouts and it just puts me in such a good mood. It makes me like excited to get up on a Monday morning usually because I freaking love leg day. So this week is going to be pretty exciting. I've got a late night at work for something fun that I obviously won't be vlogging, but I've also got Koopu and I's 7th anniversary on Friday, which is crazy, which I don't know what we're doing, but he's planned something, so I'm quite excited. I'll take you guys along if it's appropriate. Our dinner tonight is just like real simple chicken chorizo pasta with cheese sauce. It ain't healthy, but it's delicious. Well, I mean, it's not bad for you. I made it all myself, but shouldn't have it every day, you know. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm going to talk to you in a second, but I really like my outfit today, so I wanted to show you guys. It's my little paper bag pants trousers from Kmart with this top from Cotton On and my pink Allbirds. I really like this top. I bought this like years ago in a medium. This is a freaking medium, look how tight it is. And I could never fit into it because obviously really small medium, and I was definitely a true medium. I've been to the gym and everything. I'm just getting my day started. Oh, I've been loving the scrunchie. So I'm just wearing my hair up every day now because I feel like I look so much cuter. It would look even cuter if I didn't have baby hairs. That ruined my hair goals, which is really annoying. Does anybody have any tips for like not having baby hairs? Because mine is so annoying. I'm starting to think about next year and my content and stuff like that. I don't know what's happening with the Weekly Live series, I guess. Please let me know what sort of stuff you want to see on my channel, because I still kind of want to do some sort of vlogging, but I don't know if I want to do Weekly Live or if I want to change it. So let me know if you guys have any ideas. I know I still definitely want my channel to be like pretty chill, a mixture of everything, like some fitness, some other stuff. So let me know if you guys have any like bright ideas. For dinner tonight we're having steak sandwiches and halloumi and a chia butter bun. Good morning guys, so it is Wednesday and I'm just heading to the gym. This afternoon or this evening I've got something on at school, so I won't be home till late. It's that time of the year where stuff gets like real hectic and busy, so yeah, I won't be home till like probably after 7, which is gonna be just delightful. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to eat 2,000 calories during the week and then 1,800 on the weekends. That's the first part of my reset. The second part is that my goal is to have 40 grams or less of sugar, which is like 2 tablespoons, which like I think like 8 marshmallows is about 26 grams of sugar or something like that. So it's realistically like quite a bit of sugar, but not that much, if that makes sense. Like it's easy to go over, but if I take it easy, it's easy to stay under, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and trust the process and give it like a couple of weeks and just see what happens. I mean, I'm happy with how I look now, so if no changes happen, that would be fine. But I am starting to feel a little bit frustrated, just want to let you guys in. I'm just finally ready. I've got nice makeup on today because we have a dress up day. And I have to wear a blue bob wig because I am being thing 1 or thing 2, I don't know which one. We haven't printed the actual like label part of our costume, but I'm just getting ready and I thought I would show you guys. Oh, fork, no, that's too low, hold on. I thought I'd show you guys, like I do most weeks, what I'm having for lunches. So I'm having overnight oats. Whoa, hello voice break. I'm having overnight oats. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna sneeze. Why is my life in a dust? Having overnight oats for breakfast along with an apple cider vinegar shot. Last week I didn't actually say in the vlog, but I had been taking my greens powder every single day, but I bought a different greens powder that's supposed to be an everyday one, so I stopped taking the one that I was taking because that one was supposed to be like just like a cleansing one. So I'm kind of like cutting that out because I don't want to use it all up because it's not supposed to be for every day. Overnight oats, and then for morning tea or brain food whenever I decide to eat these, I've got these little guys. Now they're called brown rice bites, and they're barbecue flavored and they're gluten free, and that's 1 serving there and it's like 150 calories, so that's pretty sweet. And then in here I have chicken on the bottom and then cheese on the top. If I can get it open. The cheese is a blend, well, it's mostly Eden, but a little bit of Parmesan for some, like, a little bit of punch. I have that, and then this is sriracha and sour cream to, like, go on my wrap as the, like, butter, and what do you call it, the spread? Then that's gonna fill the wrap. I like Farrah's wraps, and these are the Italian herb wraps. I'm actually just gonna take the whole bag with me to work and write my name on it, because I'm gonna have these all week. Yesterday I had leftover pasta, and then the day before that I had leftover ramen, so I haven't actually needed to make lunch this week. And like I said, I wasn't meal prepping because of the fridge. And then because I'm having a late day at school, I'm taking some bliss balls. I'm taking 3, which is like 1.5 servings, but it's still like 180 calories or something, and they're really yum. So yeah, that's my overstuffed lunchbox. You guys, it's Friday. Thank goodness. It has just been such a long week this week. Goodness gracious. Anyway, it's Friday, that's all that matters. And my tan looks fabulous. Today is Koopu and I's 7-year anniversary. Tonight we're going out for dinner. I don't know where we're going. I do have my suspicions, although I won't say on camera in case they're wrong. 2 places that I think we could be going, but he might be just going completely something different. The only reason why I think I know where we're going is because we have a really late booking, like 9 o'clock is a very late booking for dinner, so it must be somewhere nice, right? Because you wouldn't book in at Lone Star at 9, you know what I mean? You wouldn't book in at like your average Joe place at 9 o'clock. So I'm really excited regardless of where we're going. He could take me to McDonald's and I would still be excited. I just love going out to dinner. And yeah, it's our anniversary, so I'm super excited. We don't do gifts or anything like that, so yeah, it's just gonna be a pretty chill day. I've got work like normal obviously, and then we've got our anniversary dinner, which is, yeah, I'm really excited. It's Friday afternoon. I think I figured out where we're going for dinner. Koopu's hint to me was, it's where I've always wanted to take you, and I was like, Wildfire? And he's like, no. And then I didn't think about it. I just was like, whatever, I don't care, like I just want to be surprised. I don't want to guess it. And then I was at work and he's like, have you thought of it yet? And then as I was typing no, I realized, and I was like, is it up something? And he was like, maybe. So I'm pretty sure we're going to Orbit, which is up the Sky Tower. Pretty sure. If we're not going to Orbit, I won't be leaving this clip in the vlog. But yeah, I'm freaking excited. I looked at the menu, it looks insane. I do remember a couple of years ago when he first brought it up, I looked at the menu and the menu was average, but obviously menus change like every year or every like half year or whatever, and this season's menu looks so good. There's like a really yum looking steak on there, and then you get like, the deal that's on at the moment is like entree, main, dessert for like a certain price, and I'm like, it's gonna be so good. I'm really, really excited. Obviously not tracking my calories tonight. I've also had a not so great day. I've been eating a lot. Koopu bought me cupcakes, which I haven't even told you guys yet. He got cupcakes delivered to my work. I'll insert the clips right now. Yeah, the office ladies were like, we've put something on your desk, and I was like, what? And they're like, yeah, go check. And like, yeah, he got me half a dozen cupcakes, which was really, really sweet. And I cried, and it was great. And everybody at my work is like, wow, it's so romantic, which is really funny. But yeah, I'm really excited. As you guys can see, I've got a huge stack of mail next to me. The bottom box is a gift from Dermalogica. Then I've got some Cotton On, Ect, and then all of the small packages at the top are like AliExpress and Wish. I think I've got like a couple of pins, and then I bought a resistance band, but I don't think that's here. Oh, I bought a shampoo brush from AliExpress as well. I'm excited to try that out. I can feel that in there. But yeah, I've got a whole bunch of random junk. Ready for dinner with Babe. He did good. Woo! I wish it wasn't so like bright in here.
Cold.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yay! We got a good one. Thanks, babe. Love you.
I still haven't paid for it, so.
Oh god, we jumping.
I love looking at that shitty scene.
Shitty? It's beautiful. Just like you.
Big fan of this.
There's bread. See? Kumara bread. Kumara.
Yeah, that's
This is the menu, y'all. I'm turning off until we get food. So spending time with my boo. They brought us bread. You should try that dip, honestly. That one's so nice. Do it.
Pardon me?
Try the dip. I don't know if it's just me. I feel like it's delish. It's good, right? I don't even know what it is.
Oh, that's bad.
It's something pesto-y, but yeah, little warm buns. So I got the pasta and Babe got the pork.
I got the pork.
Pork, right?
No, the pork, because that's...
Oh, pork, yeah, because there's not really much there.
That plate is hot.
We come fancy restaurant and I get steak and chips. That's what it's actually supposed to look like.
Like fun, man. I should have just taken you to Long Star. What the hell?
No, this is perfect. You guys can see the harbour bridge over there. Excuse you. Harbour Bridge. I got the chocolate cake, which has paleo sorbet, babe. Paleo sorbet. Paleo. And then Koopu got the flat white, which is a coffee tart, which I can't have. Good choice. Picking the one thing that I can't have.
It comes with your finger.